talking about this how do you say that? This list box. I mean not list box, to-do list question. So we did to-do list before, right? But I just want to show you it again. Like we're doing our revision so it can be better for you. If you do revision, it'll be easier for you in the future, right? And you can become better. So you know this message box, because that's in our widgets. We have like 18 widgets and we're almost about to finish GUI. Okay? Just so we have to also talk about this dynamic tree view, which I haven't taught you yet. Okay, which we're gonna talk about. So we'll get into the function. There's many functions you can see. We'll go one by one. We'll go from the top to the bottom. So from line 26 all the way to the end, you know that much of the code for the ones that know my video, that watched it, and know a lot about me. Okay? Anyways, let's get to the task. So you're wondering what this count zero means. So what this count zero means, basic zero means basically is that okay. Ways what I was talking about is that this question I've been talking about. Let's just this line, right? Let's just get into the function. So this count zero means what? Basically means because it's like we can't put 100 tasks at once. So if we put more than 100, it's gonna show out in our message box of you can't put more tasks. That's why you're putting here count zero. You'll see why. Now to add tasks, we have to global count, right? Task equals to entry.get. If not task, if it's not a task, message box dot show warning task needed. If we don't add a task, it shows this message box. If count is 10, greater or equal to 10. So if it's 9, 8, 1, or what do you say, 11 and all that stuff, right? Like 1, 9, 8, 7 and all these numbers, greater or equal to 10. Message box dot show error. This is another way. Error, no more tasks can be added. So 10 tasks can be added actually. Else, list box dot insert task entry dot delete 0 tk dot end. So when we write on the entry whatever task, when we add this task into the multi-line text box, it'll delete the task from the entry. Count equals to count plus 1. We also have to count how much tasks we added. Message box dot show info, no errors, task hasn't been added. Now for delete, task 2 equals the list box dot cursor selection. If not, task 2 is the same thing. Show same thing else. Delete task 2 and show this message box. Task has been deleted. Now, define delete all task list box dot delete 0 comma tk dot end. The message box dot show info all tasks have been deleted. You can't delete any more tasks. So if I put like 10 tasks and I do delete all tasks, all these tasks will be deleted. Okay? So where's the code? I'll run it right there today, guys. Refresh this connection. Yeah, see right there. So if we say blah 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 blah, add a task. Task has been added. Blah 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 blah. Task has been added. Blah 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 blah. Add task. Task has been added. Now delete the task. Task has been deleted. Delete all tasks. You can't delete any more tasks. Then that's it. Bye bye. So thank everyone for listening about my video about this to-do list box. I hope you like it. and bye. Bye.